Subscribe our channel to get all the latest sports news updates first of all, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. The 13th edition of the Indian Premier League is less than a month away. Everything is already fine. The tournament will start from September 19th. All 8 teams have already arrived in the United Arab Emirates, and players from each team are currently in quarantine. But the BCCI has not yet officially released the full match schedule for the IPL 2020 edition. So friends, in today's video, we will try to find out what is the real reason for which the BCCI has not yet been able to publish the IPL schedule. And also we will try to find out in how many days the IPL schedule can be published. Before that, if you like this video, please subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. The only reason for the delay in the release of IPL schedule is the current coronavirus epidemic. The BCCI wants to know how to conduct the tournament in the best and safest way considering all aspects. However, it is not yet clear what guidelines will be set for England and Australia players to join the IPL. The two countries will play 3 T20I match and 3 ODI match. The match will continue till September 16th, and the players of these two countries will leave for UAE on the very next day, that is September 17th. According to the previous BCCI protocol, players will have to stay in quarantine for 7 days after arriving in the UAE, and will have to be COVID-19 test negative 3 times in a row. But last week, Rajasthan Royals COO Jack Louis McCrum said the BCCI had updated their protocol. As a result, players from England and Australia will be able to enter the UAE from one bubble to another biosecure bubble. As a result, players from England and Australia will be able to play from the first match of the IPL tournament. However, another source said that the players from England and Australia will arrive in the United Arab Emirates on September 17th and 18th. So, it may be a little inconvenient for them to participate in the first matches of the IPL. They may be given at least 3 or 4 days rest. In addition, if a player is tested positive for COVID-19 during the IPL tournament, he will have to stay in quarantine for 14 days. All the other players who will be in bio bubble with him will also have to stay in the quarantine for 6 days and test the COVID-19 3 times. But in the middle of all this, the tournament has to continue just in time. For this reason, the BCCI will have to look into all the aspects and then came up with an IPL schedule, which is a very difficult task. The second week of IPL 2020 is a very important week for the organizers. One thing the organizers should always keep in mind is that the second week of the IPL tournament should have a lot of spectators, because in the first week of IPL, the number of viewers on the TV set will be very high. Besides, since there will be playoff qualification matches in the third week of IPL, the number of spectators will also be higher. That is why the BCCI has to make a schedule keeping in mind the second week. Moreover, the second week of October will have the most number of double-header matches. So, the board has to show a lot of flexibility when making the list for the second week of the tournament. The first schedule of the tournament was made for the March-April-May window. But given the time and circumstances, the board will have to think about how to hold the most double service matches in the second week of the tournament, considering the temperature in the UAE. Meanwhile, there is less than a month left in the IPL. The last 2 teams to reach the UAE on Sunday were Delhi Capitals and Sunrisers Hyderabad. After that, the 8 teams will start practicing after breaking the 6-day quarantine rules. In the meantime, the BCCI has taken several measures keeping the cricketers in mind. In the corona situation, the health of cricketers and team support staff is getting more priority from the board. In the corona situation, the board is coming up with a special chip tracker for Dhoni in addition to creating a biosafety zone. A company in England is creating a biobubble. The company called Restrata has also set up biosafety belts in the West Indies and Pakistan series in England. The chief tracker was reported to the board on behalf of this company. This tracker will be used to understand whether the cricketers in the biosafety zone and the support staff of the team are complying. How will this tracker work? According to the experts, cricketers and team members will each be given a chip. The chip tracker may be linked to the internet via a watch or mobile device. The chip may even be attached to a cricketer's neck chain or an accompanying iCard. This means that the chip tracker must be kept with the body at all times. The news will reach the concerned monitoring department through the tracker as soon as it gets out of the biosafety zone. However, it will be used outside the match. Using this chip tracker, it has been reported that Jofra Archer of England has broken the rules of biosecurity. The England fast bowler could not play a test match in Manchester due to violation of the rules. He can return to the squad after re-quarantine and corona test results are negative. In the case of IPL, if cricketers violate such rules, the same punitive measures can be taken. On the other hand, cricketers are being tied into multiple rules. No cricketer can hang out together like in the past, can't have dinner together in the current situation. If you need to talk to cricketers, you can talk on the veranda. All the staff of the hotel are also in this biosafety zone. Meanwhile, cricketers will be tested for corona every 5 days during the tournament. A delegation from the board has already arrived in the UAE to look into the matter. So friends, share this video to all of your friends. Thanks for watching.